Starting around 15 July 2023, HEX truly is exchanging at $0.010 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 2.66% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. HEX certainly has a complete market cap of $1,726,955,883, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,416,002 in a genuinely enormous manner. This for the most part makes HEX genuinely positioning at 206 in the digital money market. Or so they by and large thought. In the event that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the HEX cost expectation end of 2023, what will HEX fundamentally be for the most part worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is HEX an excellent venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Will HEX cost generally outperform its record-breaking kind of high in a quite large manner? These explicitly are our HEX cost expectations for HEX's future in an unobtrusive manner. HEX value expectation 2023. As per the HEX figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the HEX cost generally is supposed to explicitly cross and in every way that really matters, normal value level of $0.011, the normal certainly least value worth of HEX, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to be $0.011 in a fundamentally huge manner. Besides, HEX can in every way that really matters arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $0.012, exhibiting how HEX generally has a by and large complete market cap of $1,726,955,883, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,416,002 in a significant manner. HEX value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the essentially greatest cost for HEX could generally stretch around $0.010 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, the minimum cost of HEX in July 2023 especially is $0.009, with a really normal cost of $0.010 in a genuinely significant manner. HEX value expectation August 2023. The cost of HEX generally is truly anticipated to especially reach at a truly least worth of $0.010 in August 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. The HEX cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0.011, with the very normal exchanging worth of $0.010 all through 2023. Or so they all things considered thought. HEX value conjecture September 2023. Concerning September 2023, HEX sort of is supposed to essentially arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.010 in an in every way that really matters, significant way. The HEX cost could by and large arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0.011, with the exceptionally normal cost around $0.011 in an unpretentious manner. HEX value conjecture October 2023. In October 2023, the especially greatest cost for HEX could stretch around $0.011, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Besides, the minimum cost of HEX in October 2023 by and large is $0.010, with a typical cost of $0.011. HEX value expectation November 2023. HEX cost really is supposed to sort of reach between $0.011 to $0.012 in November 2023. While the by and large normal cost of HEX for the November for the most part remains around $0.011. HEX value conjecture December 2023. With respect to December 2023, HEX truly is supposed to essentially arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.011. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, the HEX cost could generally arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $0.012, with the fundamentally normal cost around $0.011, which certainly is very huge. HEX truly passed value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been explicitly diminished by 6.9% in its truly current worth, so HEX value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the very greatest cost for HEX could explicitly stretch around $0.011, which generally is genuinely critical. Assuming we generally look at the truly current market cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap essentially is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. From most recent 7 days, the HEX by and large was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.98%. Which especially demonstrates the way that the HEX cost could by and large arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.012, with the typical cost around $0.011 in a very enormous manner. HEX explicitly has shown areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be a great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how from in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, the HEX for the most part was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 18.98%, which by and large demonstrates the way that the HEX cost could in a real sense arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.012, with the essentially normal cost around $0.011, which really is very critical. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of HEX sort of diminished by 87.148%, taking out an incredible truly normal amount of $0.068 from its truly current worth, which basically shows that HEX value figure September 2023. With respect to September 2023, HEX sort of is supposed to basically arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.010 in a genuinely enormous manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can really be a fundamentally decent, certainly purchase an open door for in every practical sense, fast interest in an unobtrusive way. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 60.58%. And the cost commonly coursed from a fundamentally least genuinely normal cost of $0.024 to kind of greatest by and large normal cost of $0.027 in the kind of beyond 90 days, showing how HEX value expectation November 2023. HEX cost basically is supposed to truly reach between $0.011 to $0.012 in November 2023, while the in every practical sense normal cost of HEX for the November sort of stays around $0.011. HEX value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, HEX truly is supposed to especially arrive at a truly least value worth of $0.011, or so they especially thought. HEX basically is somewhere around 45.79%, with the exceptionally greatest kind of typical cost of the coin, especially was around $0.023, and the kind of least genuinely normal cost of for the most part was around $0.021 in genuinely beyond 4 months. So assuming that we really look at the ongoing business sector cap of the HEX with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down in an unpretentious manner. HEX value gauge 2023 facts. What will in a real sense be HEX genuinely worth in 2023? The HEX cost is estimated to by and large arrive at a really greatest degree of 0.0